Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we're going to check out the 2026 GMC Canyon ELEVATION. This comes in an Onyx Black exterior and a jet black interior. Under the hood, it has a 2.7-liter Turbomax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It comes with many cool features such as heated seats, adaptive cruise, HD surround vision, and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside. Starting with the front interior, we get this jet black trim. On the top of the door panel are the door lock and lock buttons, power and power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side. On the inside is the electronic parking brake and trailer brake controller. On the top is the power sunroof. Now we can have a full look at the leather seats. At the bottom are the power seat controls with lumbar adjustments. Let's have a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings. On the right are some directional controls. Coming to the entertainment screen, we have tons of apps over here. We can connect our phones using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We get the HD surround vision, which gives multiple views of the vehicle. We get Google Maps to help us navigate around the city, and we can listen to audio using AM, FM, Series 6 and Bluetooth, and some more options. At the bottom are the climate control buttons with heated front seat buttons on both the sides, followed by two charging outlets, gearbox, electronic parking brake, dual cup holders, and underneath the armrest we get some more storage space. Moving outside, this 2026 GMC Canyon ELEVATION comes in an Onyx Black exterior. In the front we get the GMC logo on a blacked out grille. On the sides are the LED headlamps. This vehicle comes with 18-inch black color wheels. We also get paint matte side mirror covers, paint match door handles, buttons for keyless entry, blind spot sensors over here, corner steps at the rear bumper on both the sides, GMC Canyon and ELEVATION written in chrome. Let's have a look at the cargo storage space. As we can see inside, we have plenty of storage space with two corner tie downs in the front and in the back, and we also get a power outlet. Finally, moving to the rear interior, we get the same trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side. Behind the front seats, we get some additional mags and storage space on both the sides. Behind the center console are the climate vents for the rear passengers, charging outlets, and the power outlet at the bottom. We get the same leather trim in the rear seats along with dual cup holders for the rear passengers. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2026 GMC Canyon ELEVATION. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.